Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called cluster picking. Cluster picking is a methodology of picking into multiple order containers at one time. The containers could either be totes containing order batches, discrete order shippers, or discrete order totes. There are two main piece picking systems that benefit from use of cluster picking. Among many choices for designing your warehouse picking process, this one has the option that fall under either manual or automated picking option. Pick to cart is number one, in which a cart would be loaded with multiple totes or shippers, and the picker would make one pass through the pick zone and sort the pick container, thereby avoiding unproductive travels. The second one is vertical lift module or carousel operation utilizing independent zone picking technique. The picker would set up the pick container batch. This would initiate mechanized pick module and the item would be sorted to the proper pick container. This technique is used to optimize the BLM and carousel pods by limiting number of mission cycles. Thanks for watching. Bye.